Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Piet. You're watching Piet J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going on with that beautiful Lancaster bomber. Now, as you can see in the background, Lancaster bomber at the ready, tea at the ready. I've got two. One, that's the one from yesterday that I forgot about. Right in front of me here, I've got stage 43, as you can see there. The inner starboard wing flap. So we're going to put that together, and then we're going to put it onto the wing. And that's it for that stage. Pretty quick one. Then the raid on Le Crusotte. And bump bombing. I have no idea what bump bombing is. Dropping leaflets. Bombing leaflets. And in stage 44 we're doing another one. And let's see how that all puts together. That is what we have, as you can see right there. That, and that. HPs. Alright, as you can see, we've got this in front of us. We're going to get those out and put those rubber thingies on. So you get that. And we need those on two sides. Let me turn that one on as well. So if I show you, you see something. Alright, we're screwing into plastic. We're pushing that with the R1 up. So R1 should be visible. And then we're putting this one over it with the rounded side on this side and the edge going down there. That neatly keeps that into position and makes those move a bit, not a lot. Then let's put those screws on. These are called HPs, but that's the only screw we get in this stage. So do I really need to tell you? Very polished silvery screws. And the last one in this stage, and then we're putting it onto the wing. So that is what we have with those winglets, like so. Not a lot of movement, but a little movement. Alright, let's get the wing out, and we're going to the other side, and we want it, it's in there is R1 in there, so you know you're not putting it in the wrong position. And we're putting the same screw on again. So let's get those out and I'll show you what it looks like. And put it upside down, because that edge needs to be on the inside of the wing, so towards the hull of the plane. And then the two on that side as well, still the same screw, the HP screw. And that is, let's put it there. That needs to go underneath and through that as well. That's impossible. Let's try and get that loose and push those cables in with it, the other ones, because I don't think that will fit, but let's do it that way and push them all into this hole here. Alright, that's the first stage done. So let's go to the next one. And we're going to put that to the side there and see what we do in 44. Well, as you can see, that's the same thing. So I'm putting it aside and I will show you the magazine. Exactly the same as you see right there. So we've got two edges there. How do you call these flaps? It's a flap, isn't it? Starboard trailing edge flap. Oh, okay. A different plane in this one. Spirit of Russia. And an even different plane. The Air War in the West, 1940. Well, there you go. That's what we get in the next stage, but we are going to do this. These are showing R2. And this is more of the same, so let's put them there. And we know what we do with this in stage 44. So let's start this up straight away. And remember that that little R2 thing has to be up there. Then we put that one on, all of them on. So we've got them on here. Let's get the wing out. We push it on like that. And let's get those screws out and put them on. There we go. And there we go. There's not a lot of movement in there. No movement in this one at all. How come? Need to do a little bit thing about that, because I can't move the wing due to the fact that it's hitting that plastic there. And that may be just that it is a little bit too long. Yep, I like that. So let's try it and put it back and see how that movement is. And I'll show you what I've done, so you know what you can do to fix that. If you look at that and have a look at that little piece there, that is hitting the underside of that wing, so it can't go any further. This is the lowest that one can go, and it's now flush. So what you want to do is have a look at that little edge there and maybe file it down a little bit, because I can't see it being on in the wrong position. Just hit it a little bit with a file, a nail file, or I don't know what you guys call it, something like that. Alright, that is stage 44 done. That is this video done. So thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more on this beautiful, no, you don't see, oh, you do see it there, on this beautiful wing, which is, as you can see, pretty darn large, as you can see right there. But I will be going on with that, and you'll see a video in a week after this one or so, or something like that, depending on how many videos in total I have. So thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more building on that one, or any of those in the background, or any of those on my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.